If you try this plantain egg sauce, you will like to eat it over and over again. Guys, watch this video to the end and see how I make this plantain sauce. Here are the plantain and the veggies that we are using, guys. So guys, this is the pan I will use to fry the plantain. So guys, as it hot, let's add the oil. This is the oil I used to fry yam before, so we are using it to fry the plantain. Here is the plantain, guys. Okay guys, let's add a little bit of salt to mix the plantain before frying it. As you can see on this video, this is how you do it. You have to add a little salt, mix it very well before adding it inside the oil to fry, guys. As you can see me doing here, guys, this is how we fry the plantain. Please guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and see the process of how I cook this food, guys. It was so yummy and delicious. Okay guys, as it is hot, the first set is ready, guys. We have to remove it from the oil so that the plantain will not soak oil more. Guys, not only wife material fit run like this. That is why they tell of una say make una come register for my online cooking. Guys, watch this video to the end. So we have to put the second set, guys, as you can see on this video.
Night on my phone screen, typing like I'm hungry. All this pepper in my feelings, feeling like a big pot. Baby, your name saved as Rita Empire. In my DMs, kitchen lights still glowing, but I'm drunk on you. And these drunk texts to read them in the morning. Please don't judge my grammar. I said I miss your jollof, I miss your touch. From Niger to Europe, girl, I think too much. These drunk texts to read autocorrect.
So guys, we are done frying the plantain. As you can see on this video, it's time to fry the veggies, guys. So we are making using of the same pan, guys, to fry the veggies. So I go in with the oil that I want to use. So if you want to cook it, make sure you use a little oil. So this is the onions. We have to add the onions inside and fry it for some minutes, as you can see on this video, guys. So we are back again. Here is pepper and tomatoes, guys. We added it inside and fry it for some minutes, as you can see me doing. Okay guys, look at wife material. Wife material is dancing. Can you dance? This food is making me to dance. So okay guys, I said let's turn it together before the food got burned, guys. So here is the carrot. We added carrot inside. We also add Maggi inside, as you can see on this video, and salt. We added salt. After adding it, we have to turn it together, as you can see on this video. This food really comes out well and I enjoy it, guys. Go and try it out and come and thank me later. So this is bell pepper. We also add bell pepper inside. If you want to cook it, just follow this method, use this process, don't skip it. You come back and thank me, guys. So we fry it for some minutes, as you can see on this video. We come back to turn it. It's time for us to add the egg. This is the egg. We make use of 8 eggs, guys, as you can see on this video. We turn it inside. Who they run now wife material. Now let wife material fit show you like this, as you can see on this video. So I have to turn it because I don't want the egg to have that big seed. So I don't want the big seed. That is why I've turned it, and also go in with the plantain. As you can see, add the plantain inside and mix it together. So I want the egg to come out small, not just be big. I don't need anything like that. That is why you see me add the plantain and turn it together, so that everything will mix very well. So everything will fry together, everything will cook together. Take a look at this food. Oh my gosh, if you taste this food, you will not eat any other one. I tell you, you will come back again and cook it. Guys, try it out and come and thank me later. I love you all. We are using salad to enjoy it all. Please guys, if you love what I'm doing, please leave your review on my page, and don't forget to follow me on my page. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all.